temperature does water freeze? On plants, about 38 degrees, I guess. I did get antsy about 10 o'clock last night, and I came out and I covered everything that was tender. Good thing I did. Looks like we're gonna even be colder tonight. Check out this forecast. Now I came out early this morning and got these pictures, but now it looks like it's warm enough. We're gonna at least uncover this stuff for the day. I'll be back out and cover it back up tonight. Today is Sunday, April 23rd. These made it through the winter. We'll see if they make it through the spring. The amaranth looks like it's doing fine. The plastic totes look like they're... Look at that. Even a bucket. You got one that got frosted back a little bit. Everything else looks pretty good. Our greenhouse bed looks okay. I'm amazed at how fast these are growing. We're not going to be able to get them in the ground till tomorrow at the earliest. But everything else looks okay. And we definitely have an example of each one of these sunflower seeds. These are our great big mammoth ones. Even the sweet potatoes didn't mind it. Since the wind stopped blowing, it's going to turn out to be a nice day, even though it's going to be foolhardy to try to plant anything out here. Let's go ahead and string some more trellis. We might want to trellis another tomato. I think we might even try to trellis a squash or two this year. We'll see what we get. I know it's kind of hard to see stringing the wire, and I didn't think anybody wanted to see me fall off the ladder. I should be planting, but I do know better. 2 years ago, 22nd, froze hard. Today's the 23rd. We had a frost last night. It's going to frost again tonight. May 1st, tomatoes. I'm sneaking them in a little early. I think we'll be okay starting next week, but I'm done with the cold. And I know there's a good portion of the viewing audience out there that's just crying a river. You still got snow on the ground. Your spring is coming too. And we got another good portion that's just going into winter. It's all perspective. And we all itch to plant, you know you do. So what we got a wire coming all the way up here, cutting down underneath those strings to tighten them up. Off over here to this post that we just put in. Coming down around here to this post. Now I'm 6'4" barefoot and I'm standing on 6 inches of mulch and I can just barely touch it. As long as I can walk under it, I'm good to go. You see how many tomatoes I have. I think we're gonna have tomatoes here, there, and everywhere. But I wanted to try to trellis a squash this year, maybe even a cucumber. See how that works on the string method. You can do this too. It's a little pre-planning, and as you can tell, my architect's on strike. So I'm just kind of putting it together. The folks that taught me how to hoe a garden would have a conniption if they saw how I have this strung around all here, there, and yonder. But we're working in a deep mulch living soil garden. It just wants to be covered and it just wants roots. We're lucky we get a garden to grow. We have crops from all around the world, different soil types, and we bring them all into a small area and we expect them to grow. I think we're blessed if we get anything. But the deep mulch living soil has made my job so much easier. And like I say, you can do this too. And if you want to learn more about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.